In the realm of the avian kingdom, owls reign supreme as the masters of stealth. Their silent flight is truly exceptional, making them the ninjas of the night sky. But ever wondered what makes their flight so silent? Several factors contribute to this unique ability. Firstly, owls possess specialized feathers. Their wing edges are serrated, breaking up airflow and reducing turbulence, thereby minimizing the sound of their flight. Secondly, an owl's plumage is soft and velvety, dampening any potential noise. Unlike many birds whose feathers rustle when flapping, owl feathers facilitate silent flight through the air. Thirdly, the wing shape plays a crucial role. Owls have large wings relative to their body size, enabling them to glide effortlessly and quietly. Lastly, their hunting techniques are adapted for stealth. They hunt at night, capitalizing on their silent flight to sneak up on unsuspecting prey without alerting them. While owls are stealth personified, other birds of prey, like certain hawks and falcons, also exhibit adaptations for silent flight, albeit to varying degrees. The combination of specialized feathers, soft plumage, and adapted hunting techniques makes owls the stealthy hunters they are. In the grand scheme of nature, every creature plays its part, and the owl certainly plays its part with silent precision.